After getting a much needed sleep, we left Salt Lake City to Bonneville Salt Flat. It was about an hour and a half drive, and the view was just beautiful. We dropped by the rest area to check out the salt flat. My friend who wanted to take the reflection shot was super disappointed to see the place go dry. We took some pictures and flew the drone, but we just had to find some water because we drove 2,000 miles to see the beautiful reflection that we saw in the picture. So we drove on this bumpy road, following a GPS coordinate given by a blog post, and Brandon flew his drone for hours to find any accessible water on the ground, but we didn't find any. So we finally gave up and checked into a hotel and went back out to the actual Bonneville Salt Flat. Some of the world's fastest underground speed records were recorded on this flat, so we naturally had to drive on it. Driving on the salt flat felt completely different from driving on the paved road. So we naturally had to get some more gas and drive on the salt flat some more. It was super fun, and we honestly could drive for hours, but it was getting dark and we needed to find some place to take photos. We only had few minutes to take photos of the sunset, but taking picture of the sunset at Salt Flat was an amazing experience. We went back to the hotel and got some rest. We came back out at night to camp at the Salt Flat, and the view at night was even more amazing. Not this view, but this. On the next day, we packed our bags and headed back to Atlanta. On the way back, we passed through Illinois, and one of our friends never had Chicago-style pizza, so we made an hour detour to get her a pizza. Every trip is different, and this trip was especially fun because of the people whom I traveled with. I was especially happy to get that Milky Way panorama shot and the flash shot